Okay, yeah. So I want this to move. So I'll put under the icon. I'll put a margin. So I'll put a margin. I'll put margin left. I'll put margin left. Let me say 30 ps. So the idea is to keep space between the menu and this icon. Okay. Then this um, logo, I'm not happy with it. So let me change this 120 to 100. Okay, I think it's somehow preferable here like this. Okay, so now let me talk to the menu item. I'll say nav, UL, UI. So I'll open the, so I want to talk to the menu item. And first thing I'll do for the menu item is to remove these list items you are seeing, all these dots here, as you can see them here. I want to remove them. So I'll say list, this style, I will say none. The dot will disappear. The next thing I want to do, I will say display so that it will be flat. It will be flat. I will say display inline, in block. Okay, so you can see it now. It has displayed. Then you can see the spacing is very poor. So I will change the spacing. I will say margin left. I will say margin left. Let's say 30 ps. So you can see the spacing is now okay. Yeah. So next thing I need to change the font color. So for me to change the font color, I will talk to the nav ulli ancon. Sorry, ancon. So that's the man that controls the font color. So what I need to do with this, I'll first of all remove this underline. Okay, I'll say color. Let the color be white. Let the color be white. That's great. Then I'll remove the underline on these items. I'll remove the underline. So I will now say text decoration. So text decoration, I will say none. We don't need it. So you see the underline will disappear. So next thing I need to do here is I will say font size. I'll increase the font size. So the font size I will use 25. The next one I will put the font width. Font width, I want it to be bold. I'll put it bold. The next one I want here is I'll transform it. I'll say text transform. I will convert it to uppercase. Text transform, I will say uppercase. So it becomes capital letter. So that's all I need to do here. So next thing I will do now is to look at the hover. I want each time I place my cursor on it, let the color change. This I will say nav ulli on hover semicolon hover. Yeah, I'll just put just line of code. I'll say number one background. Background color should be blue. Okay. Then it's blue. Okay, let me change the background color. Sorry. Background color should be okay. Let me take this alpha software. Okay, let me take blue. Don't worry. The next thing is that I will take I will make border. You see, if I place my cursor here, the background color is blue. I will put border. I will say the border should be solid. Then aside the solid, I will make it red color. Then I will now make it 2 ps. So you see it, there's a border around it. Now we'll make it to increase. I will now put padding. I will put padding of 10 peso. I put padding of 10 ps. Finally, I will put a border radius. I'll put a border radius of 35. Yes. So the border radius is what make it to. If you place my cursor on it now, sorry, what did I do? Sorry, padding is much. Padding is 10, not 100. Okay, you can see it. Okay. All right, I will stop here while we continue with this one in the next video.